ET6 Mario's Fly. This is Kappa 1 Ario's Fly. That's wrong. Well, I'm sure it's music. Yep. Peach. What? Let's go to Donkey Slide, Cool Kappa 1, Smooth Sky 2. This isn't the right level. You know this isn't the right level. Excuse me? Why'd you play music out of nowhere? Oh, I may not. This is wrong level. Are you kidding me? It's all wrong. It's not my level. Nope. Oh, that's just like the game and the animations. It's like this. So it's glitched like heck here. Okay. This. Oh, this is definitely Peach's Castle. This is Peach's Castle. Yeah, this is actually it. Made a choice over there. Choice is yours. So let's go to Ario's Fly. What? One couple one. Why is Bomb on Battlefield played out of nowhere? Why? Why would it put music play out of nowhere? Okay. Excuse, this is really Peach's Castle. Oh, it glitched like. This isn't Peach's Castle. Hey, this is Peach's Castle. This is Peach's Castle. We're in Peach's Castle. I want Mars. Mars gonna come out of the pipe, and that's man of the plan. The main protagonist, Mario. Why would Bomb on Battlefield play out of nowhere? Maybe this is a course of Tall Tall Mountain. Where's Peach? Where's paper in that ladder? It can't be just a text. That doesn't make sense. Sure. I couldn't get it. What? Yo, this is Peach's Castle. Alright, I'll come. I'll come with you, Peach. This is actually we're gonna go to it. We're gonna just go back to our daily boosters because it will look different. Not every day. Versus, but it'll be online people. Because we've been on for like almost 2 months. No, not really. It's from March. It was from March, by the way. I mean, seriously. Oh, my Mario. We are in May now. We're in May. We're in May now. Nice month of May. That's my favorite month. Gosh, what is he doing? There it is. Flashy. No. What is Bomb doing here? Are you gonna prepare a cannon for Mario? Really? Thank you. This is actually into the castle. We'll buy flows. We'll buy some mesh. We'll hopefully buy some blow. Him to prepare the cannon for Mario. Okay, it's been like maybe 8 days of me lately updated the game. Why? Okay, this is all wrong. Maybe it's me. Maybe I updated it. Well, if the update was supposed to be April 9th. But seems like it asked me to update the game. Well, it's been like 3 weeks. It's been like for 3 weeks. It hasn't been updated. In order to change the music and everything. Can't get the steps. It's me, Mario. Okay. Peach's Castle has better days. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there he is. Got him. Why not Dr. Cooper? Why not him? Why not? Or Piranha Plant? Those gotta be the stuff here. Besides, there's wants me to choose your doctor from the character from Daughter Mara. But Piranha Plant, you did choose this doctor. He needs to be cared for. Are you kidding me? Stuck. He's stuck in the level. You can't complete it. Super Mario. Oh, what happened to copyright Nintendo? What happened to copyright 1996 Nintendo? I get messed up. Are you kidding me? Oh, what happened to copyright 1996 Nintendo? It just seems like the text got messed up. Oh my god. You have to kill me. Below. Might be Cookie Cast's time. Oh yes. Thank God updated the team yesterday because it was like April 17th and that's been updated for me. I need all update on. Now everything's back to normal. And the title screen can pop up. Yeah. Supposed to update the game yesterday, but I didn't. Oh man, before May. Before it was May. Yes! Oh damn. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, it's even funny. Oh my god. Huh. I need to load it up. Game's gonna load. Oh wow, this is how it is. Starts off quickly. Really? Why is it like this? Where are the characters? Man, where are the characters? Where is? Okay, there they are. Never mind. Where are the characters? Aren't they supposed to pop up? Oh, why is that to happen? It's just the animals are here. It's just really? Alright then, I'll just come back to the game in case they come back or not. Because updates can make it worse, so no one's even here. Except for the bosses. Why can't this show up? Oh no, it's the laugh again. No one's even here. I'll just come back in the stream and get it. In case they're here or not. Okay, now in the south, now in the planet, it's Super Mario. This is all because no one even pops up. I like it better. It's not even here. What the heck is going on? Maybe I'll press on this if... Why does it happen? Why is nobody here? This is weird. That's the only thing I don't like of the updates. Oh, just to prepare the cannon. There's gotta be a way. I'll just go back to level and redo this again for now. Oh well then. Looks like I'll come back. Looks like I'll come back later. It's like no one's showing up or not. Now Simon's cat. No, Simon's cat. It's quicker. You showed them up early. Let's sneak in. What the heck? What the heck? Nope. Where's the pipe? Never mind. He's back. This is not Peach's castle. What the heck is wrong with you, Lakitu? It's glitchy as heck. Mario. Yeah, something wrong. Nobody's even here to begin with. Oh, except for the cars. Why does it have to happen? Oh my goodness. This is too boring. I just want everyone here to be... This is too boring. I just want everyone to be here, to be honest. You're welcome. Maybe if I lose at the level, will they even come back or not? And I prepared a candy for you. Nope, it's gone. Hopefully by some blow. Toad, how you doing? Ah, they forgot their animations, dang it. Also, this is not here too. And that's kind of creepy. What the heck? That wasn't funny. That wasn't funny. Welcome. Do you like it? Yes. Into the castle we go. Hopefully you buy some blow. There's some blow. Oh my god, you want some of your bowl. Here you go. You don't have to go like this for now. Jeez. Can't I get up? He stops. Super Mario, what the heck is this? Oh dear, not that painful noise again. Not that painful noise. It's okay, buddy. Not the painful noise. Shh. Ew. That's just why it's called ew. Hi, how are you doing? Well, not that noise again. I love looking at the cat now. Yeah, every time an update happens, there's nobody in their animations in the map. This is weird and creepy. I just want everyone to be back. Aren't they back or something? Yep, he's stuck. What? Mario's like on a pretend truck to be on it. Now Mario's on a pretend truck to begin with. Yeah, as long as the animations are back, this means now, please let it be this way. He ate it. Not again. Only a few seconds later. This is weird. Like, animation's supposed to come after the update. Sorry, but this campaign's no longer here. You can't go complete the first level. Sorry. I don't know. I'll just go for now. Sorry, Smokey. Oh God, no wonder why I'm. Oh, she sounded a little different. Alrighty then. They only them are here. Really? That's it? Yeah, that's what you get, man. That's what you get. Man, why does it keep happening? No one's even here. I missed. Now I have to miss everything for now until it's back to normal. What happened here?